double time steps with stamp and pickups. Before watching this video, make sure you go back and watch how to do a single time step with stamp and pickup. There is also a triple time step with stamp and pickup and a break. There is only one break whether you're doing single, double or triple time steps with stamp and pickups. So go back and watch my time steps of the difference between a basic single, double and triple time step, and you'll know straight away what we will be adding in the middle of this time step. The beginning and the end will stay the same as the single time step with stamp and pickup, but there will be a slight change in the middle. Do you remember what that will be? It's a tap spring. So let's do double time steps with stamp and pickup. We take the right foot to the left diagonal front with a stamp and pick up. That is the same as all the other time steps with stamp and pickup. Hop and tap spring to change to the right diagonal front. Hop, tap, spring, forward tap and ball change. So instead of hop, spring as the single time step to turn, it's hop, tap, spring. So we now start the second one with the left foot, stamp into the right diagonal front. Stamp, pick up, hop, tap, spring to turn to face the other corner. Hop, tap, spring, forward tap, ball change. Stamp, pick up, hop, tap, spring. Stamp, pick up, hop, tap, spring, forward tap, ball change. Stamp, pick up, hop, tap, spring. Stamp, pick up, hop, tap, spring, forward tap, ball change. Don't forget to turn. You're turning on the hop and the tap spring to finish the turn. And again. Stamp, pick up, hop, tap, spring, tap, ball change. Stamp, pick up, hop, tap, spring, tap, ball change. Stamp, pick up, hop, tap, spring, ball change. Stamp, pick up, hop, tap, spring, tap, ball change. If you're finding it a bit wobbly, don't forget, speed it up. It's easier, faster. Just make sure you know what you're doing. Don't forget to try and say the words as we're doing it. That will help you remember. And stamp, pick up, hop, tap, spring, tap, ball change. Stamp, pick up, hop, tap, spring, tap, ball change. Stamp, pick up, hop, tap, spring, tap, ball change. Stamp, pick up, hop, tap, spring, tap, ball change. Also remember to start doing them a little bit more compact. They make your tap look much faster and neater. But I'm going to keep doing them big for now, just so you can see what to do. So, stamp, pick up, hop, tap, spring, tap, ball change. Stamp, pick up, hop, tap, spring, tap, ball change. Stamp, pick up, hop, tap, spring, ball change. Stamp, pick up, hop, tap, spring, tap, ball change. So now go on to the video how to do triple time steps with stamp and pick up, and then on to the video of the break that can go at the end of all of these time steps. Until next week, see you then, and don't forget, before you go, subscribe and leave a comment below. Let me know how you're doing. Goodbye.